Growing your own herbs year-round is not only a rewarding experience, but also an excellent way to ensure a constant supply of fresh ingredients for your culinary and medicinal needs. You might think that you need a sprawling garden to achieve this, but the truth is, you can cultivate a flourishing herb garden right in the comfort of your home, even in the smallest of spaces. Today, we will explore how you can transform limited areas into lush herb havens. Imagine having the fresh aroma of basil, mint, or thyme wafting through your kitchen as you cook or brew tea. The good news is that cultivating herbs indoors or in compact spaces can be quite simple. The first step is selecting the right herbs. Opt for low-maintenance varieties like basil, chives, parsley, and mint, which are known for their adaptability and resilience. These herbs not only thrive in confined spaces, but also boast rapid growth, providing you with a quick turnaround. Location plays a crucial role in the success of your indoor herb garden. Herbs require ample sunlight to flourish, so positioning them on a windowsill that receives at least 6 hours of sunlight daily is ideal. South-facing windows are often the best choice, as they typically offer the most consistent exposure throughout the day. However, if natural light is limited, investing in a good quality grow light is a wise supplement to ensure your plants receive the necessary light intensity for healthy growth. Once you have your location sorted, it's time to focus on choosing the right containers. While any container with proper drainage will suffice, opting for pots that are at least 6 inches deep will accommodate the roots of most herbs comfortably. Terracotta pots are a popular choice due to their breathability, allowing excess moisture to evaporate and preventing root rot. Remember to use quality potting soil, as herbs prefer well-drained environments. A mix specifically designed for containers is often the best option. Watering is another critical aspect of herb care. Herbs generally prefer their soil to dry out between waterings, so it's essential to maintain a careful balance. Overwatering can lead to waterlogged roots, while underwatering can cause your plants to wither. A helpful tip is to allow the top inch of soil to dry out before the next watering session. Keeping an eye on the soil moisture will guide you in ensuring your herbs remain hydrated yet not oversaturated. Fertilization can further boost the vitality of your herbs. A mild, balanced liquid fertilizer applied monthly can replenish essential nutrients, promoting vigorous growth. Be cautious not to over-fertilize, as this can lead to excessive foliage growth with diminished flavor and aroma, defeating the purpose of your herb garden. As we conclude, it's clear that the key to successful year-round herb gardening lies in understanding the essentials: the right herbs, ideal location, appropriate containers, controlled watering, and proper fertilization. With these tools in hand, you're ready to cultivate your own thriving herb garden, regardless of space limitations. Embrace the journey and enjoy the myriad of flavors fresh herbs bring to your lifestyle. Happy gardening!